Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about the most important short notes question to be studied for all the TYBFM SEM 6 student for the subject Indirect Tax, also known as Goods and Service Tax or GST. Okay, so in this video, I've made up a list of questions that if you'll do that many questions, it will be much more more than enough to be studied for all your short note question. Okay. So let us see which are the important questions that you need to cover up so that you all can easily cover up all the you can easily cover up to attempt all the short notes from the question paper. Okay. Number one, explain the features of indirect tax. Second, explain the advantages and disadvantages of indirect tax. Third, define goods. Whenever we talk about define good, meaning define goods and all the types which comes under goods. Okay. Explain the reverse charge mechanism. Explain place of supply. Okay, so these are the first five important short notes that you'll need to cover up. Features of indirect tax, advantages and disadvantages of indirect tax, define goods. So when you're defining goods, what is goods? Okay, define it and also explain the various examples. Explain the reverse charge mechanism. Again, give a short detail about it, and you can give a small example also on that. Explain the place of supply. Give us short detail about what is place of supply and various rules for place of supply of goods and services. You all can explain those rules in that. Okay, so these are the first five. Next, explain the composite supply and mixed supply. Very, very important topic. What are the taxes that are levied on an intra-state supply? Explain the levy and collection of tax on import and export. Explain what is the aggregate turnover of GST of registered person. And explain and enumerate exempt of service provided to government. So these are the next five topics which are important from the exam point for short notes. Okay, explain the composite supply, mixed supply, very important. What are the taxes which are levied on intrastate supplies? Okay, explain what is levy, what is collection of tax on import and export. Explain what is aggregate turnover and give some examples of exempted services provided to the government. So these are the first 10 short notes which are important. Now let us take the next five. What determinants or what determines the time of supply? What are the various determinants of time of supply? Explain the provision for determining the taxable value of supply. Explain the provision avail. What are the, sorry? Explain the person who can avail ITC. Explain the importance of registration and explain e-way of bill. Okay, so what determines time of supply? You can take different situation under time of supply. And what are the rules? How the earlier of, so you can write all those rules in that. What are the provision for determining taxable value? So the format of taxable value with some rules you can note it down. ITC, when can you avail ITC? Again, the rules are there. You can mention those rules there. Importance of registration. If you register, what are the importance that you can get? Explain what is the e-way of bill. Okay, very important topic. So these are the first 15. Now last four types. Explain the person who are not eligible for composition scheme. Explain goods and service tax network. Explain intra-state supply. And lastly, explain electronic credit ledger in GST. Okay, so these are the last four topics which are very important. Okay, explain who are the person who are not eligible for composition scheme. What is goods and service tax network? Intrastate supply, and lastly electronic credit ledger in GST. Very important topic. So if I can guarantee, if I'll do these 19 topics, I guess it will be more than enough from the short notes point of view. Okay, chalo. So with that, I hope everyone have noted down these 19 questions. See that I'll prepare over it. Chalo. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.